Hello, welcome back to the Happy Hut. Can you buy Bitcoin on PayPal using just the PayPal app? That's what I'm going to do in this video. Hello, I'm Neil and this is the Dad Delivers vlog. I try something new every single day, and today I'm going to buy some Bitcoin using PayPal only on the phone. And oh my goodness, what a roller coaster it's been. This is the graph for what Bitcoin has done in the last week. I know there are all kinds of disclaimers with this video that I need to work through with you, but what I'm going to do is you and I are going to buy some Bitcoin together using just a PayPal account. This time last week I bought Bitcoin for the very first time in my life. This is my very first cryptocurrency purchase. I had tried to get onto a proper Bitcoin cryptocurrency website and I just failed. I couldn't get verified with one of them. And the thought of having to hand all my personal details over to a site that I've never heard of to buy something that I'll never see and have no idea about was a little bit of a too big a step for me to do. So I was really shocked when I found out that PayPal now has this crypto tab at the top. And I bought £100 as an experiment. I bought £100 of Bitcoin. So there's lots of things wrong with this picture. Firstly is that I'm dabbling in cryptocurrency at all. But it's thrilling, you know, it's a bit of a gamble. The second problem is that it's not real cryptocurrency. I mean, we're being told by PayPal that they're good for it and you are actually buying Bitcoin, but it's not buying it in the way that the cryptocurrency community buy it, which is to actually get it properly electronically. Basically PayPal hold it for me. And I know there's that phrase, isn't it, if you don't have the key you don't have the coin, but I sort of like the protection that comes from letting someone else deal with that, even though I'm paying quite a saucy fee for that. I lose my keys to the house. I can't imagine what I'd be like with keys to cryptocurrency, but it was my way of buying Bitcoin for the first time. So I bought, look, I've got a little graphic here that I've made myself. So I bought £100 worth of Bitcoin. Well, it's £100 and 1 pence. I am now going to see if I'm going to buy another £100 worth of Bitcoin using the PayPal app. Look, here's my PayPal app right here, and you can see that my £102 investment, including fees, is now worth a whopping £83.99. This is just my regular PayPal account. If I click on that crypto button there, it takes me into the crypto tab. So yeah, the value the value of it has gone down quite a lot. Now the rule that I'm playing, as I don't know how long I'm going to do this for. In my head, I'd like to do this every week for a year and just play with £100 every week. The rule that I'm going to play is that if the Bitcoin has gone down in the week, I will buy more Bitcoin. And if it doesn't go down in a week, I will then buy other cryptocurrencies on PayPal. And maybe I'll venture out onto another platform and buy one of the, 18,000 cryptocurrencies out there. PayPal only offers 4 cryptocurrencies, but I'm going to stick with Bitcoin for this week because it has fallen in the week. We're now going to go into buy. I'm going to press the buy button, buy Bitcoin. Now the fees, we covered this in the last video, but if you click on the fees button, it shows you the current fees. Obviously it shows you the current fees for buying crypto, and if I go 1 penny over the £100, the fee comes down a little bit, so I'll save 29 pence. So if I go back to buy Bitcoin, I'm going to type in £100 and 1 pence, then click next. So it's showing me what my £100 would buy, and it looks like 0.004, that figure that's fluctuating before my very eyes. And so I'd pay another £102 and 1 pence. By continuing, you understand that crypto isn't regulated, its value fluctuates and you can lose money if the value drops. Yes, I agree and buy. So I'll click that big blue button at the bottom. There I've got. That's it. I've just bought my second batch of Bitcoin. I have invested, gambled, thrown to the wind, £204 and 2 pence, and that is now worth £182.84. Is this something that you do already, or is this something you're thinking of doing? Say hi in the comments, it'd be great to hear from you. And I'm going to try and show up every week and see how this experiment goes by putting in £100 and 1 penny in each week. It could be going better, but I'm hoping that if I keep buying on the way down, eventually when it starts to come up, maybe good things will happen. If you want to see what my Bitcoin is worth right now, or all of my cryptocurrency purchases, I've got a whole playlist that's on the video up here, and down here is a video all about how you can buy Bitcoin for the very first time on PayPal.
Can you please help my daddy get 1,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. How was that?